How to build rental website step by step. Hello guys, Celia here. In this video I'm going to show you how can we easily build our own rental website just in a few minutes. I want to show you Squarespace platform. They provide us the opportunity to create a website just in a few steps. They can easily help us to create it by simply customizing their templates. So in order to get started, we need to visit their website called squarespace.com and then just simply click on get started in the right top corner. If you're new to this platform, you'll have to create an account. You can easily create it with your Gmail, or you can create a separate account. So here we are on the page where we can easily choose the necessary template, and firstly we need to filter them. So click on real estate and properties topic to see only relevant templates as for us. And as you can see, we have like 6 templates, and we can also use another templates to customize them as we need. For example, this one here, or this one here. But in my case, I would like to use this template directly, as for me this is the most suitable one. And you need to know that all the templates from Squarespace are totally responsive, so it will be easy for you to use them on different devices, from tablet, from phone. So yeah, nothing hard at all. And in order to start with this template, we just simply need to click on start with this design in the right top, and in a few seconds our website will be automatically created. I will show you how to manage SEO, how to manage structure, how to analyze data, and how to edit design itself. So firstly, we need to set up our website title. Let it be like rental for you. I'm going to click on continue, next, and get started. So here we are on our dashboard with our website. In the right side, we can see the option of how will our website look like. We can switch between different pages. We can go to editor, and we can manage the general design like fonts, color palette, and animations. And in the left side, we can see the option to manage structure, to manage marketing stuff, and to analyze data, to analyze traffic, sales, and so on. So firstly, let's see how does this menu work. And in order to start, I suggest you to click on website and to see all the pages you have on your template. So here we have listing and contact. I would like to delete contact page because I'll show you how can we easily edit on our main page, on our start page. And now we have only one page, which is called listing. So here we can find different stuff about the object we have, price, description, and so on. So yeah, let it be like this. On the marketing stuff, we can manage a SEO appearance like title, description, and to optimize our SEO for the website, you can find SEO checklist by Squarespace. I recommend you to read it. It's really important and helpful to organize your website as for search results in different browsers. And on the marketing, on the basically analytics area, we can analyze our traffic, geography, traffic sources, and sales. This part is more relevant when you'll have first traffic on your website. So firstly, we need to change the design and launch it to the internet. So I recommend you to click on this icon in the right top, which is called Site Styles, to manage our font group, colors, and animations. Here we can easily switch our font pack, and I always use this one here, as for me it's pretty cool, and I recommend you to use this feature. Of course, you can try to find something suitable as for you, but as for me, it's definitely the best variant. And also, I would like to change a color palette. So let's open our palette and then just simply find something suitable as for us. I think I would like to use this color palette in this case. And also we have the option to change animations. Animations is like what will our first time visitors see, how will it look like, is there some animations or not. So I always use fade animations. I think this is the main style in this year. So now we can click on save, and then we can click on close, and we are ready to interact with the wall design. So let me show you how can we open editor. We need to click on edit right up here, and in a few seconds our editor will be automatically opened. And you need to know that every single website is created from different sections. So here we have a header, this section here, this section here, this section here, this section here, and the footer at the end. So we can easily interact with our sections, we can edit content, and we can delete different sections. For example, this one, I'm going to click on remove and our section will be automatically removed. I'm going to click on remove for this one and our section will be automatically removed. We can also interact with different sections. In this case, we can click on add a section and then just simply find the necessary one as for us. As I already said, I would like to create people like team page team section as for us. I'm going to use this one here. So now we can easily manage content, but firstly I would like to move it down till the very end. And here we can click on edit content, click on content, and then just simply interact with every single object. We can change a photo, we can change title, we can change description. So yeah. And every single section here contains its own content. For example, here we have this text here, this text here, we have like this text, this background image, and in order to change them, we just simply need to click on the necessary object. We can click on edit, and now we can change what's inside, make it bold, italic, underlined, and so on. So in this case, we can also add it header and do some other stuff. And now we can click on save. If you want to see some more in-depth tutorials about Squarespace, I recommend you to watch my other tutorials. You can see the wall playlist at the end of this video, just in a few minutes. So in order to launch our website, we need to click on subscribe in the bottom of the screen and then just simply find the most suitable plan. And in order to run a rental website, you can easily use personal or business. I think that features they provide is enough as for us. Of course, we can pay monthly or annually if you want to save up to 30%. And if we'll compare them, we can see that business provides us much more features, and we can even use some commerce features as for our stuff. So yeah, as I already said, if you want to see more in-depth tutorials about how to customize our website on editor, I recommend you to watch my other tutorials. You can see them right up now. If you have any questions about a rental website, you can always ask me in the comments below. I'll try to answer for all of the comments. And also, if you are new to this channel, I recommend you to subscribe and also like this video. And you can even share it with someone. So yeah, hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.